Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back and visiting me. Today we have Taco Bell. I just got off of work and I'm starving. So I currently work at Amazon. Okay, I work at Amazon and it's a 5-hour shift, and so it's no lunch. So when I get off work, then it's time to eat. And today we have our cantina. Is it cantina? I think it's called Power Bowl. It costs $5.19 and it's about 500 calories. This is my first meal of the day. Look at here, you guys. It's a protein bowl. Okay? So there's a lot of protein in it. I'm about to smash this. And you gonna sit here with me and we gonna chit chat while I smash this. Look, you guys, it has black beans, guacamole, chicken. You can do chicken or steak, pico de gallo, sour cream, rice, and lettuce. Before I get started, you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Find the bell icon. That's going to notify you every time I upload, so you will not miss anything, and you could be the first one who watch my videos. Cheers. Good flavor. You know, there's a lot of people who don't like sour cream, but boy, that punch of sour cream just does it all for me. Now, you could all mix it all together like this and make it like a nice scramble. This is like a burrito with no wrap. This is delicious. I don't really eat at Chipotle, but if I did, I would imagine it tastes something like this. But this guacamole, though. Just in case you're wondering, so far, today's my second day working for Amazon. I have enjoyed every bit of it so far. They almost messed up on my order, y'all. Look like they got some young boys, you know, taking the orders. Automatically, he says hello. I say hello. I start to order. He tell me to wait. He not ready. We come back. I said, can I get a chicken power bowl with an ice water? He said, yes, but please remind me about the ice water when I get to the window. I don't blame him. Okay, that's fine. Pull to the window. I automatically see some lady in the background returning her food. I think she said something about a hair, but I don't know. I hope not, because I'm eating their food now. She's returning her food. He takes my card. And he's like, he turns around and do some other stuff like get the drink ready. Then some other young boy that kind of looks similar to him come up to the window and say, oh, you ordered a cantina bowl? I say, yeah. He's like, oh, that's weird, because some people from the other side ordered one too. I'm like, okay. What are you telling me that for? So next you know, a whole bunch of time go by. I'm like, what the fuck? And then the original boy hands me this bag that, you know, don't look like it has something like that. It look like it has some tacos and burritos in it. I'm like, no, I ordered the cantina bowl. I know that's big, so I need a bigger bag. He's trying to hand me a small bag. I got chicken and black beans. So he goes, oh, I'm sorry, and takes the food back. And, you know, now this one has to be made. He says, he hands me the food and apologizes and stuff. But I really think the second boy who came to the window took my food and went off for lunch. And ate my original cantina bowl, powder bowl for his lunch. Because he goes, this lady ordered the original guy, he says, this lady ordered a cantina bowl. Some girl in the background says, I just put it right there. Where did it go? I think the second young boy who came to the window took it. I don't give a fuck what you do. Just give me what I paid for, goddammit. Sorry, Mom. Highly recommend this, you guys. This is really good. It's like a burrito. It's like a burrito with no tortilla. Man, y'all, I got so much stuff I have to do. So much stuff is coming up this weekend. First of all, it's my first week of work. Second of all, it's my oldest daughter's birthday. I don't even have anything planned for her. I try to talk to her and let her know that financially, we're in a crunch right now. And I can't do anything extravagant like she usually gets. But she still planned stuff. Told everybody to meet her somewhere and expect her and my dad, expect me and her dad to pay for it. Her dad always come through. So I really appreciate him. So, yeah, now I got to go home and do my middle child's hair because I'm sending her off to camp. This is going to be camp by herself. And she's a little spacey kind of sometimes. I hope she really embraces this experience. Her dad really wanted her to go so she can experience what he have experienced as a child. Right now, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. I hit my 100 subscriber goal. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 1,000. So smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below. The real thing that would really, really help me is if you shared my video. So go and binge watch my videos. Find that one that you really, really like and go share it. Yes. Last night, I found this YouTuber. I've been seeing her here and there. But she just hit 100,000 subscribers. And so when people hit certain marks, they'll celebrate by doing some kind of really awesome food. This girl had a whole alligator laid out, and she had a professional chef cook it for her, and she ate it in front of us. I will link the video down below. She's so cute. Her name is Tosh. Her channel name is Toshpointfro. Unless I read it wrong. Like I said, it was 2 a.m. in the morning when I found her channel. Am I being greedy? I'm eating this to myself on the way home from work. Comment down below. Let me know if you tried one of these. It's called a power bowl. It's so good. I like stuff like this. Rice, beans, lettuce, tomatoes, meat. Can't go wrong with it like this. Now, actually, this is kind of getting me full. It gets you real full, y'all. I was going to do a full video comparing the two vegan burgers, one from KFC and one from McDonald's. I was going to compare the two. I will try to get to that video. If you guys want to, you can check it out. But I want to do something sweet and simple. I grabbed some food. Why not come and cut my camera on and chit chat with you? I've never tasted alligator. I would try it. I always would try something once. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. My boyfriend is going to be the breadwinner. I always been the breadwinner of my whole thing. I always make the most money. So he's now making more money than me because we quit our jobs at the same time. He got a good job. I got part-time, okay job. And I'm just hoping my YouTube will kick off so it can change my life. So I'm doing Postmates also. I was really trying to get away from the 9 to 5 every single day. 9 to 5, pick up my kids, go home, clean up, cook. 9 to 5, pick up my kids, go home, cook, clean up. You know what I'm saying? That's the whole routine. I'm done with it. I want to have more time and more freedom to do more things with my kids. To do personal things like my YouTube videos or exercise. Because, you know, you got to balance these mukbangs out. You're eating a lot of food on your channel. You have to make sure you stay active. And let me tell you, my new job do keep me active. I just did 10,000 steps for a 4-hour period just working at Amazon in the warehouse. I'm not doing no heavy lifting or anything. I'm actually extremely happy the position that I have with Amazon. I gotta wait for the paychecks to see how that feels. See if I can cover myself. Almost done, y'all. Wow. Last bye. Before I go, I want to say thank you for everyone who watches my channel. Comment down below. Let me know if you have tasted this before. And hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys. Until next time. Ooh. Bye.